Help support the companies that support our community. we go. It's about 21.5 inches across and 12 inches tall. Chris and Christy were on vacation in Arizona and they saw one of these in a gift shop and Christy loved it. So Chris asked me if I would make one, and I'd never done one of these before. The one he sent me, the picture, the wood was like really rustic, but I was trying to make it look like that. All I had was 2x4s, and that's why I just went crazy with the burning it. And I did put a finish on it. It's just a flat finish, and the reason I did that is so it wouldn't rub off on your hands, the soot from it. But it's a fun project. The little spokes on there are about 4.5 inches tall. I just basically rough sanded it with 100 grit, put little tendons on those, and I just wanted to make it look as old as I possibly could with new 2x4s. But I like the way it came out. I only have one bottle of wine though, so I can't fill it up and take a picture of it. The holes I drilled here are 1-inch holes, and the steel, I looked at a couple of videos online about how to age steel, and I was hoping it would come out darker than it did, but it looks all right. It looks a little bit rusty, but the videos I watched when they did that, used the toilet bowl cleaner, I mean, it really darkened it up and made it look like rust. But so I don't know what I did wrong. Maybe it's the wrong kind of steel, but it was a fun project. All right, another thing, quick thing, we have the trailer back. It is sitting right out there. So next week we're going to do some build videos from inside the trailer. And I want to thank everybody who helped support us on this for the mobile workshop. A huge thank you to Carolina Shoes, Easy Wood Tools, and Woodcraft for helping make this possible and help support it ongoing. So if all the stars aligned, we will have the wrap on the trailer Monday, not this coming Monday, but the Monday after that. So fingers crossed on that. But next week I'll start throwing some pictures up of doing some build stuff in it, but we'll have a build video from inside the trailer. We need to build a cabinet in the front of it and then do some stuff on the walls too. All right, if this is your first time here, I have a new project video every Friday, and if you would please subscribe on your way out and hit the like button, I really appreciate it. Have a great weekend.